Are you stuck waiting for Telegram to send you the activation SMS code? Maybe you've just tried over and over again, just like this viewer who said that they tried 54 times on their Windows 11 laptop and still nothing. Can a computer repair shop like Best Buy fix this? Or it is something that you can solve yourself? In this video, I'll be explaining why Telegram doesn't sometimes send codes, and I'll be giving you the solutions that actually work without paying anyone. First, let's quickly understand why Telegram fails to send the code. We have the Telegram security policy. This limits the amount of requests in case maybe you're requesting for a login code or something. This is like a system that is triggered in Telegram, and it limits the amount of requests. So that's why sometimes you fail to receive your login code because of this. Sometimes if your number is flagged I mean if you maybe tried a lot of attempts, multiple attempts, login attempts. Now in this case, Telegram may block the SMS temporarily so that you're not able to receive the SMS. And I find that some users are frustrated in these early stages. They fail to get the SMS code, just like users in a few period of time fail to get the SMS, and now they overreact and they're like Telegram is bad. They try to switch up like accounts, trying to use a new account instead of being patient, something like that. This requires you to be patient, so you wait for the code. You never know, it may come, it may not. But there is a trick that I told you in the previous video, that pretend as if you don't have a Telegram account. This can save you a lot. You'll be like, let me just give it a break, let me do other things, I'll try again. Believe me or not, you'll get a reward than the person that has changed the account and now they find again a challenge of switching the account to get back to the previous account. Then another thing is about the carrier or the country restrictions. I find that some countries, these telecom companies filter messages, and you find that also these codes, maybe they've sent you the code and it's just filtered and it doesn't arrive to you. That means that will be a challenge, obviously. So you need to maybe try to check with your telecom company and make sure that they're not filtering your messages, your SMSs, yeah, because this can hinder you, and actually it hurts so much the people that don't have another account. For instance, if you don't have a second account, this will hurt you, and it will be bad for you for sure. But yeah, nothing to do, you just have to move on. Now listen to me. Which platform are you using? Did you know that your platform contributes a lot in getting the SMS code? For instance, if you're using a desktop, you're not using a phone like to log in. Telegram prioritizes your phone. Your PC is like something you link to. So if you're using it as a first time, in most cases the code will be sent to your phone account. That means that you'll never see an SMS when you're using a desktop or something like that. Now let's look at the solutions to these problems. Make sure that you've checked properly your number. Make sure that your number is intact, right country code, basing on your location, and also make sure that the numbers are correct. Like, don't miss out any of the numbers. make sure that all the digits are correct. The other thing is you need to install Telegram on your phone first. Make sure that you go either on your Apple Store or Google Play Store so that you install Telegram on your phone. Trust me on this, you'll be able to receive the SMS code. Telegram will detect that you're using a phone and it will send the SMS code. If you're using Telegram for desktop, you will not get the SMS code. You will not get the SMS code. The code will be sent on all your Telegram devices, but it will never come via SMS. Now, to the user that commented this comment, let me reply in this case, this scenario. But the only thing that is gonna save you is you just have to install Telegram on your phone. If you don't have a phone, try installing an emulator on your PC so that you log in using maybe Android something, then they send you the code, then you link your device, your Telegram, with your desktop. I know these emulators are inconveniencing for a person that doesn't overuse them, but this is the only solution that maybe you can get. And yeah, think about that. Now the other thing is you need to prioritize using the Telegram app instead of using the SMS. Let me tell you the reason why. Telegram ecosystem. Any platform, they first prioritize the ecosystem. Look at all the competitors like WhatsApp. Nowadays, the codes are sent, for instance, Facebook, they send the code on your WhatsApp. So they utilize the ecosystem. So it is always perfect with the ecosystem than the third party. So if you want to get the code fast, always have more than one account so that when you check on maybe your other account, you will find the code right there than sending always the code on a third party. And I actually did a video about why Telegram prioritizes sending the code on its platform than sending it via SMS. So try looking at all your Telegram accounts like the same account. I'm not saying that different accounts, same accounts, different devices. So the other thing is you just have to wait for the temporary block. Basing on the comment, the user said that it was 55 failed attempts, 54 failed attempts. That means that the account has been temporarily blocked. This means that you give it like days. You can give it like 3 days, those are 72 hours before re-logging in. Because if you log in right now, you'll be pushing that time again. You need to give it time so that the temporary block can go away, so that you can re-log in again using your phone, not using your computer. You need to get a phone and log in, and now you link your account to your PC. Then the other thing that you may take for granted is changing the network. Try to change a different network. If you're using a cellular network, try using a Wi-Fi, or you can also change this different cellular network. Like you may be having 2 SIM cards, try using them. You never know, it may be a network. Then the other thing is you need to contact Telegram support. I did a video about that, contacting Telegram support. Yeah, you can go to their website. I have placed a link in the description of this video. Go check it out, fill in the form, and sure, they will help you out in this case. And now the question still stands: should you pay for the computer repair shop? Now, will the Best Buy of a computer repair shop fix this? The answer is no. This isn't a Windows 11 issue. This is a Telegram security issue. Paying a technician won't help because it won't bypass the Telegram servers. The only solution that I see in this case is logging in with your mobile phone. Get any mobile phone, log in, make sure that it's your account, and now you link. After linking to your Windows machine, then you're good to go. Rather than that, you will keep on logging in without getting the code. Then the other thing is you need to be always patient. Patience is key while waiting for. Remember, you're requesting for the code. It's a request. It's not something that you're guaranteed that you'll have then. No, it's a request. So you give it time so that you never know the repercussions, maybe positive or negative. Now let me give you an extra tip. If your phone isn't sending the SMS code, try using a different phone number. You never know. Another thing, you need to avoid online SMS receivers. These can trigger something to Telegram, and you know Telegram's security systems are too strict. They will lock you out. And now the other thing is, I need you to listen carefully. Turn on the two-step verification. I repeat, turn on the two-step verification. The moment you restore your account back, make sure that you turn on the two-step verification. This is gonna be a game changer as far as your account is concerned. That's the only way you can prove to Telegram security systems that you're the owner of the account. Hope I answered that comment very well, and let me hope that this video has been meaningful to you. Leave a comment in the comments below. And yeah, that has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.